Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today I'm going to be discussing a very interesting gaming-related project for sure. Solads project of Ladopoly, coming soon. Of course, before the video, let me give my legal disclaimer. This is not financial advice in any way. There we go. I just want to be clear, do not buy anything just because I talk about it. Of course, make sure to do your own research before investing and take your time. Make sure that you decide it is the investment for you before making said investment. Remember, this is purely my opinion, just talking about projects I personally find cool. And today I'm going to talk about one that is extremely cool, involving a doxed team, and I will just go ahead and tell you off the bat, an actual game board made by Hasbro. But we will get there. So let's go ahead and check out a couple of different things about Solads company, and then we will sort of get back to the actual main page. Now, this is their white paper at the moment with a little FAQ. Just telling you who Solads are, and you can see actually they've got some collections over here on Magic Eden for Solads and Solads Generation 2. Hello, Catmantha Jones. You want to come be in a video? Yeah, come here. It's Catmantha Jones, everybody. Say hello to your favorite co-host. So you can see here they've got Generation 1 and 2, some very cool artwork for sure. This is the Lad Lotto, which I actually found through the official links over here on Discord. And of course their Discord is a really great place to go learn more about this project if you're at all interested. And gives you quite a lot of information, as well as they will be doing, I know they're going to be doing giveaways for whitelisting and stuff like that, so you'll definitely want to come check back here for your whitelisting links, as well as just all the other links that you might need. This is actually, I believe, the actual team, and we can go see, and we'll see them through more on the website as well. But again, Discord is it's getting big. They're really building themselves up over there. 1,000 members and growing for the Solads Gameverse over here. I didn't even notice it got a link tree as well, so that's really cool that they actually went ahead and put that up. So you can go through all those different links that I just showed you, of course. I found them on a different place, but you can find them here. Join us for a crypto discussion every morning at 9 a.m. CST. That's awesome to know, actually. So you can check all this out. Of course, their Twitter is at Ladopoly NFT. Now, I just showed you, so this is Hasbro. I actually just have this link up here to show you. So it is like legit Hasbro, the one who made all of these brands, all these products, right? So just kind of wanted to point that out there as well. Thought that was so fascinating. This is Rad Rugs. Now they do a security assessments, project reviews, and platform analysis, who is another project that has been working alongside the Solads team. Now, not your ordinary PFP. Owning a LAD will unlock a number of monthly benefits and grant you lifetime access to our club, including a stake at our LADAO LAD Vault. Some benefits will be exclusive to LAD owners, while others will be open to club members. And then you can check out the mint right here if you just click through there, mint at Ladopoly, and that's the Lad Lotto we just saw, getting actually back there. You'll just connect there, easy enough. In epic fashion, 4 lucky minters will win a Tayo Robotics only dice, Dodegan coin flip, or D-Gods NFT, all purchased with mint proceeds. So basically like another valuable NFT alongside the one you bought from them, which is a cool idea. So we can see the roadmap. What I really love is that they've got the completed, in progress, and future plans very well labeled out. That's actually very rare. I've never seen someone put it in that clean of terms before, which is crazy, actually. I really appreciate that they did so. So you can see, going through their private Ladopoly board sold out in 2 minutes, which is awesome. And I'll tell you about that in a second. Airdrop Solads Gen 2. Purchase 2 Degen Apes, Fund DAO Vault with 150 Solana, Mint Solads Gen 1, which we did see those, Lad Lotto Mint Live, which is in progress. Whitelist/public mint for Ladopoly March 31st. So that is right around the corner, my friends, 10 days. And as I mentioned, definitely keep an eye on the website to find those links. Secondary market to bring more players. Property airdrop. Ladopoly game goes live. Advertising sales start mid-May and then end of May. Low and high stakes boards include introduced in June, and future games be officially announced, which is very great. Very fascinating. And just mentioning about the board, so actually some people who buy this game, what they are saying at least, you'd have to go through again, verify everything for yourself. This is just me discussing what they were mentioning. It seems that Hasbro has agreed to make a handful of boards, and actually, like, when some people buy them, they'll actually sell you these Ladopoly boards made by Hasbro themselves. So that is so fascinating, very cool if that's actually what's going on there. Again, I have no doubt because the team seems completely legitimate. I just don't want to promise you something, I just have to watch my language, the way I speak on these videos. But I think that's so cool. Again, I'm a huge supporter of this project, to be honest with you. Just opinion. But player roll dice to move around the board. When they land on a property they don't own, they must pay rent before they can roll again. Anyone that mints a game board will receive a replica board made by Hasbro. Right there for you. If you mint a game board, you'll receive a replica by Hasbro. Now, to be completely fair, I think that also it's definitely simple enough to buy like a custom Monopoly board. I know that's something that you can do as a company. So probably what it was they just had the right budget to buy a couple custom boards, and they will be made by Hasbro. So that's why I think it's something to completely trust in. I did see some people have a little doubt about that, but that's kind of what my thought is. I've seen lots of different Monopoly boards made by Hasbro for different companies, things like that. Players earn LAD coin every time they pass go. Players also earn LAD by staking properties and several other ways in the game, so you actually earn crypto by just playing. Binding utility. Anyone who mints a game board will receive 5% off every sale of that NFT in the future. There will be an in-game tax. 50% of those taxes will go to board holders monthly. So the board must be like the rarest one. That makes enough sense. Monthly, 3% royalty on all NFT game board sales and 5% royalty on all NFT property sales. Board holders will be airdropped 50 LAD tokens. Board holders and LAD holders will be airdropped 1 free property. 50% of advertising sales will go to board holders. Monthly, 50% of the dev team for marketing and hiring a salesperson to sell ad space. 10% of V2 LAD quarterly profits, that's the quarter, or the coin, to board holders. And we can see a little info here. Let's see, so basically just telling you a lot of what I did tell you here. This gives you a little bit of an idea of actually how it will look when you're making the game, though. What the different, places are. Minting a board as well, so you can play in real life. See, so that's all stuff we touched on. Yeah, basically we touched on most of everything you'll see there. Properties on the Ladopoly board are also NFTs you can own, sell, stake, and trade. Players can rent fees from other people who are playing the game simply by staking the property. You'll also be able to sell your properties on secondary marketplaces such as Magic Eden. Blue chip NFTs. Here's an in-game still shot. The best part is we will be giving away a blue chip NFT weekly as an in-game achievement. For example, whoever goes around the board the most times week 1 will win a Degenerate Ape Academy NFT. Check out the white paper, which I showed you. Just click through the white paper to learn more about that. This is the team. We've got the CEOs and founder, co-founder, CTO, artist, and just a couple of different people involved with it. You can actually go through and see all of them on social media. Click through to their various social media and learn about them if you're interested. I think that it's really, amazing that the team is making sure that you see who they are and you're able to actually click through and learn about them on media, at least a majority of the team. which is very promising for a project like this because, of course, seems like a really promising project, right? You know, this is the kind of project that it seems so great that some of it, again, people have been doubting it, and it's just some comments and stuff I went through and read. And again, I think that it's all right. You know, I think that, personally, I think that there's a lot of promise to this, this project for Solads. I think that it's a team that's shown, you know, they've already made a couple of these NFTs, and they've actually been working in the space for a little while, so they're not strangers to it. And again, because we do see who the team is and have such a good explanation, it does make me feel a lot better about this. But my friends, this is Ladopoly at ladopoly.io or Solads. But as always, thank you for coming by CryptoCoins Gaming. My name is Freddie Colton. I will see you in the next episode.